All right, so here I am. Just got back from Denver. Had an awesome trip, but I am pooped. But I got home and package in the mail from my guy Ray Brockman, baby, coming through in the clutch. For those of you who don't know, he held a contest for um, a 10 ounce round. That was very special, and he was donating all of the proceeds to the Steam Silver Round 2018 version, where people are donating. I'm doing my posts related to the coin. Phil's doing his. Ray's doing his. Papa Pepper just did one as well. And we're donating the Steam dollars from those posts to the Steam Silver Round account, and we're going to use that to offset the price. So hopefully the cryptos will recover some, and we can kind of pep up that account a little bit and offset the price. But anyways, enough talking. Let's do the unboxing video. I think Ray did this packing because he's pretty professional at sending coins now. So let's see what we've got in here. He said there might be a little special treat. So for those of you who haven't seen some poured silver, I have a feeling you're going to see some real soon. Trusty USPS. Man, they've done a lot better now that they've been working with Amazon. So let's see what we've got. Okay, we got some bubble wrap. Dude, this guy's a professional. He puts bubble wrap in his packages. Yeah, he's a G. You know that. All right, let's see what we've got here. It's taped to the inside. Bro, he is so good. He's so good. He just taped this bubble wrap package to the inside of the box. Like, this thing's heavy. This thing is heavy. Look how big it is. Like, I can feel the round in my fingers, and I'm holding the edges right now. Like, this coin is huge. Or as Donald Trump would say, it's huge. All right. Man. Okay. Well done on the packing, man. Holy macaroni. Oh my god. Dun, dun, dun. Yo, I don't think you can understand how big this coin really is. Look how big this coin is. Look at that. It says $50. It's a Canadian Maple 2017 10-ounce silver round. She's gorgeous. Let me get you a Silver Eagle just so you can compare them. Okay, hold on. All right, so here is the 10-ounce Canadian coin, and here is a 1-ounce Silver Eagle. So yes, you can tell there is a massive difference. Yeah, it's a huge difference. Like, this thing looks like a penny compared to this monster right here. But boy, she's beautiful. Look, it's even got a little privy mark on there. Look at a little privy mark. Ooh, that's beautiful. 0.9999 fine silver. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous too. So yeah, so there's that. And Ray said there's another little treat in here. And so here we are. My guy Pit Bullion. Las Vegas, part of the Metals Mafia. He pours his own silver. And so there she is right there. And let's take a look at it. And I think he's got a little COA in there. Yes, certificate of authenticity. The weight and purity of this ingot is guaranteed by my guy Pit Bullion. So let's see what we've got here. Woo. Oh, that's pretty. 1.7 ounce. It's like a shield. That's beautiful. Look at that. Thing is sick. This is my first piece of poured silver, and I think I'm obsessed. And then on the back, you see it's got a little Pit Bullion logo there. 1.7 troy ounces, 0.999 fine silver, and then it's got that he does this beautiful. I don't even know what you call it or what he calls it, but he takes his fire and he puts these edges around, and you can see that circular motion is sweet. So hell of a get, Ray. Dude, I still can't believe I won. I mean, this thing is massive. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it though. it may just sit right on my desk from now on, just because it's so pretty. And this right here, yeah, this might become a good pocket piece right here. I'm like, what is this? Like, oh, it's my little shield. It's my silver shield, baby. Ray, I got a treat coming. Got a treat coming for you, brother. I can't wait. Thank you guys on Steam It. You guys are awesome. Peace out. Have a good one. Keep stacking the silver. Keep stacking the gold. It's going to pay off, baby.